Everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. Starting the Vlogmas this week a little bit late because I haven't been well like over the last week or so. Sort of in and out of doctors. I've been on 3 different antibiotics, still on one at the moment, which is so annoying. So I just like wasn't feeling 100%. I'm feeling a lot better now. I feel so much more myself. I've got like my energy back as well. I hope you're all well. Hope you're all having a nice run up to Christmas time. How the hell is it like the time has gone so fast, like what the hell? And I've got like Indy's birthday next week and then Christmas the next week, so there's just a lot going on. So I've been trying to like get presents, and I feel like I've said exactly the same thing last year. What I did do while I wasn't feeling that well is I redid my braids at the front, because I did this hair myself. Oh yeah, you guys saw. So yeah, since I did my hair, it got like very messy and it pulled back quite a lot because I was wearing it up a lot. So yeah, the last couple of nights I've been redoing the front, and it feels a lot better. So I'm gonna get ready because I'm gonna shoot some content. So while I just do my brows, I thought, oh my god, my Zoom has been like playing up, so sorry about it. So last night when I was doing my hair, I watched Rye Lane because I've been meaning to watch that for ages. I liked it. I think, like, you know, the way it's edited, and it's very like fast and kind of like abstract in the way that it kind of gives you, is it exposition, you know, and it's explaining certain, when the characters are explaining certain things, and it kind of takes you into a different scene. And I don't want to ruin it for anyone, but yeah, I thought that was really interesting. The guy lead, so I've been watching him as well in Industry. He's so, I really like him, you know, like as in just as an actor. Like, she was amazing as well, I really liked her, but yeah, there's something about him that I just find really magnetic, yeah, and like really interesting. So yeah, that's that. I'm so late watching Riley, and I'd heard about it for ages. So what is next on the list? I want to watch Dr. Sleep. I was reminded like over the Halloween period that I still haven't seen that, which is like obviously a link with The Shining. Yeah, recently I just haven't, there aren't many things on my watch list. Actually, do you know what, you guys can help me out. Please give me watch list suggestions for what we can watch, or what I can just chat about in my little film club segments. It's Sunday. I don't have Indy this weekend, so I'm gonna go into Central because there's a certain present that I need to find for her. Like, you can't get it online, it's sold out everywhere. I don't know if she's gonna watch this. I wanted to get to the shop just as it opens, but I'm not gonna make that. But yeah, and also the trains aren't running properly, so I have to go a different way, and but I thought it would be nice. I'll bring you guys with me. I've wanted to do a bit of a Christmassy walk around London / shopping for a while as well, like, and it's been really frustrating because I haven't been well. I haven't been able to do anything like that really. December's going so quickly, like, anyway, right, let's go. Okay, I made it. First I'm heading to Hamleys. I really hope that they have some. Okay, the queue for Hamleys is around the whole corner. What the hell? It's absolute mayhem. I mean, it's gonna be, isn't it? I can't find them anywhere. I need to find the one that she wants. Oh my god, so they don't sell them. I looked online and it said that they did, so that's confusing. But she said to go to Liberty. Okay, let's try again. They don't have the one I need.
Yeah, that was nice, but I realised it was
So I thought this would be a nice like shopping day, but for some reason I have like anxiety symptoms, like palpitations. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the antibiotics that I'm on, but yeah, this trip has just like been very overwhelming. These are so cute in Anthropologie. I just popped in here. Should be my present. So I like this. I'm gonna get another one though because it's gone a bit loose here. But I like the grey. I don't like the black. How gorgeous is this? Some H&M. Okay, I've done the school pickup.
I got a budget, which I have a budget for her, which is 5 items, and if she's super nice,
Yeah.
I'll let her have a bonus one.
Yeah, I'm like, thanks, Mum. Yeah, she's limiting me to like 5 items, which is
So you
good.
get
Like,
to
I
go
need
home better.
structure. I need control. Okay, we're in.
Mama.
Indy, do you want to vlog? You want to hold it?
I don't know if
Don't pop it, okay?
I won't. It says so cute. Got a mirror here? Okay. She has to remember her budget.
Yeah.
Okay. Out of 1 to 10, I would
Very
do rate
busy.
these crisps. Okay. I didn't steal it, it was from another shop. Okay.
No, you weren't supposed to do that. I was hiding the salmon underneath. And then I saw this kimchi.
No, seriously, that wasn't planned. I literally didn't
Yeah.
see that.
But I
you can get
I
one
just
more
found it
thing
randomly.
now. You can get one thing back.
Greek yogurt.
Okay.
Oh, so that's softener. I need a detergent. And this is where I've been getting my protein powder from as well. It lasts ages. The last one lasted like
Yeah, she's
months.
gonna put so much stuff back now.
yeah.
Don't think
Went a bit over.
it's
I don't know if to get this. I've been recommended it, but tried to keep it quite concise. She's letting me off.
Her
Sorry.
limit is now 6 things.
I was panicking out of protein powder. Yeah, just got these because I thought this could be very good to snack on. You know, when it's late at night, and I'm like, I don't like eating heavy carbs or something when it's really late, but I just want something that's really like satisfying. I hope these are nice. I hope they're not too sweet. I like them quite tart. Got the kimchi, which was about £7, and I thought that's actually good. Like, it's huge. Again, I really hope it has a nice taste, because I did try one. I think I vlogged it last time. I tried one and I did not like it. I was like, yeah. I'm very much on like a gut health kick, as you might be able to tell. Greek yogurt. I get through this so much, so it's good to get the big one. Ooh. And yeah, so I'm gonna put all this stuff away. Tonight, Indy's got a swimming lesson. Oh, hi, Mitchie. He needs a little brush. Yeah. Bit of a madness in Costco. I feel like it could have been worse, but it was, I was on the edge where I was like, get me out of here. Morning. So this is what the elves got up to last night. The banana was actually a full banana earlier, but I actually, I had half of it with my breakfast, but I just wanted to show you guys. I'm making Marmite pasta, and I posted it on my stories not long ago, and lots of people asked how I make it. So I'm filming me doing it now for Instagram and TikTok, if you guys want to see. But I thought I would just also vlog while I'm doing it here, because why not? Let me turn it off for a sec. Pasta boiling, and you don't need lip gloss or a tangle teaser. You just need butter, Marmite, pasta. That's it, pretty much. But I also add parmesan, because cheese. So, is this almost done now? Is that about al dente? Oh, I think this is about done. Let's test it. No. No, not yet. But this is a good time to put together the butter and Marmite. So in another saucepan, I really need a new one. I just put in a big knob of butter. Like, depends, you know, not that much. Oh! My hands are clean, I promise. You can put a lot more if you want to. I don't like to put too much butter. And just very gently melt that down. And at this point, I'm also going to get some pasta water from here. So, do you ever drain it? Drain the pasta and then remember you needed the pasta water? That's like the most heartbreaking thing. Pasta's how I like it, so I'm gonna go and drain it. It's such a rainy day today. It's an indoors day for sure. So I got that all filmed. I'm really excited to put that up actually, because I haven't done cooking content on my socials for ages, or I don't even know if I have before. I know I have on YouTube before, but I was going to try and do both, like in this vlog, show you how I'm doing it, and for that, but it was like no way I think I could do both. So yeah, just go to my Instagram and TikTok if you want to see that, because it's a really quick and easy meal, and yeah, it's very comforting, like perfect rainy day sort of meal. I really like finding recipes that make it easier, especially as a parent, you know, so you're not having to make 2 different meals at night, in the evenings. And yeah, so maybe that's something that I could share more of, like meals that work for me and for Indy, and like the tweaks that I do, taking it from a kid's meal to an adult's meal as well, because I do that a lot. I'm sure a lot of you do that a lot as well, right, with kids. So you know, sometimes you get so used to the same meals, and it's nice to just throw some other meals into the mix sometimes. So let me know, would you like me to do more of that? You know, I went to Central the other day and I got really overwhelmed. Literally, I think the busyness and the energy was just really giving me anxiety. And at the time, I was still like not 100% well at that point, so I didn't know if it was because of the antibiotics or like because I wasn't well. But honestly, looking back, maybe it was a mix of both, because I think the place was just stressing me out and I had to get away. But yeah, I mean, I did choose to go to Central London on the weekend, which is near Christmas, which is silly. I wanted to show you what I got from weekday. So I got this grey t-shirt. Sorry, I wore this yesterday, but I just wanted to show you. The grey t-shirt that you saw me try on with the ruched side, which on is really nice. It's like, you know, a bit oversized here and then fitted here, and I really like it. And it's really soft. And then I saw, just as I was leaving, I saw this in the like the vintage finds bit, and I love this. Like, I've got such a thing for big oversized t-shirts, and finding vintage ones as well. And I also really like the color. Like, I really like a really bright pop of color with a neutral rest of the outfit. So I could see this layered up, but also just for wearing around the house as well. Really like that. And that was like £25, I think. And then I did actually pop into Brandy Melville, and I got some. They're drying now, but shall I show you? I'll show you. So I got these. They're a bit damp because they've just been in the wash, but they're these sorts of leggings where they turn over at the top, and I really liked the colour, and they're wide leg, and they're really, really, really comfortable. I wore them yesterday, and they make your butt look nice, so it's always good. Honestly, going into Brandy Melville now at like 36, yeah. Like, I don't know, it feels weird. Like, I feel like I shouldn't be in there, kind of, but anyone can go in there, obviously. And, you know, I don't know, I just feel like everyone is like 18. But, do you know what? Sometimes I want some nice comfy house clothes, and they do really nice comfy clothes in there, so. I did get Indy some other bits, but I'm not going to show you just in case she watches this. I also just wanted to quickly share what I've been wearing on my lips, because I feel like whenever I'm wearing this combination, I get quite a lot of questions. So I've been using the Rimmel Cappuccino liner. Love this, such a nice tone. I feel like it's quite cool toned. I don't have a mirror. Actually, I do. Oh, by the way, This is another thing that I want to talk about. I've been using this case from Casetify. They sent it to me. I chose it out. It's the mirror. Ooh, what's on it? It's the mirror case, and it's so handy. So handy. I love it. My friend Tasha has this, and I feel like she always influences me. Like, she has the best bits. So yeah, so I've got the mirror case, and then this I love. This is quite a new addition. I only got this a couple of weeks ago, but it's just everything. It's got the sticky pad, it's got, you can, you know, hold it like this. It's really comfortable to hold, and then it just like pops back in. Honestly, it's so handy. I love things like this that are like functional but look good as well. So let me use this. How nice is that colour? So I'll link these bits down below as well. And then sometimes I might just wear the lip liner and put a little bit of lip balm in the middle, or if like I'm filming and I need a more full colour coverage, then this has been my go-to lipstick. It's MAC Iconic Photo. How nice is that tone? So similar. And that's it. It looks a bit darker than usual here. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, and yeah, got a busy rest of the week. Thank you for watching. Sorry this one was a little bit disjointed. I'm finally, so I kept saying I was feeling better, and then I kept having a resurgence of what was wrong with me. So at this point I am feeling better again, and I'm just like hoping it doesn't go downhill again. And yeah, anyway, I hope you're all really good. Hope you're having a nice Christmas time, and I cannot wait to just like enjoy it with family. And yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.